Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing today? Hi! Welcome back guys. So I'm here today to react to another video from Now United Meet the Members from Senegal to introduce you guys to Diarra. What's Storm, aka. So I'm curious to see what she's gonna tell us. Oh my god, I love her! Yes! Yes. Oh, sad.
I know that I just wanted to sing because every time when I sing it, I'm good. Even I'm
come through them Egyptian runs.
I have a problem if I sing, I forget everything. So I know that I have to sing.
Okay, Storm.
I was born in France, but I grew up in Dakar in Senegal. The first time when I performed, I think I was 6 years old. It was so very good for me. That day, I thought that I would be a singer.
Yes.
I was living with a cousin of my mom because my mom was traveling a lot. It was not very good because...
Gorgeous. God. Oh my God.
I'm thinking about the time spending without my mom. It was not easy for me because it's not easy when you are younger and you live without your mom and your dad.
Oh my gosh, both?
About my dad, I don't have an idea. I see him like 2 or 3 times in my life, so I don't know anything about him. I don't know her opinions about what I do or what I want to do, so...
Oh my gosh!
I was singing just for me because it makes me feel that I'm another person, that I can travel without going to airport or being on the plane. When I was 8 years old, I started to live with my mom, but they didn't want me to sing when I was younger. So it was like a little bit difficult. I was singing just for me in my room.
Oh wow. Interesting.
It's not very easy if you want to be a singer or dancer. My mom, she said me that in my family everybody go to school. She want me to be a president or a minister. Even I have good marks at school, I didn't want to be a president or a minister. But after I was singing every time, in 2015, she accepted me to go to the contest. I think my mom started to change her opinion about my singing because I tried for 4 years and she doesn't want me to be in the contest, but when she let me being in the competition, I won it.
Yes!
All-star.
I was so proud of me.
Walk, Miss Thing. See, support
The first time
goes a long way.
Video, she asked me if you are ready.
Come through, sister, with that yellow.
We change, and I said yes. I'm ready.
Diarra.
I was so happy when Simon said me going to represent Africa. It's just how we live. It's just how we live. It can open like Africa with the world. It can open Africa with anyone.
She and Annie be getting them parts in those songs.
Amazing. I think that Now United is gonna be the best crew ever.
I
love Senegal because it's my country. I can bring a lot of culture in Now United. good thing.
Better find a girl better, no baby. Zumba, 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 yeah, yeah. Zumba, 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 yeah, yeah. Hi guys, that was Storm from Senegal herself. Oh, nice to meet you, Storm. Hi. Oh my god, I love her. I love her. When I said, like I said over and over, I like this group. Unity from across the world. We all can be one. I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do like you for watching. Bye.